So I'm Dr. John Mullican. I'm the chair of the biology department. I've been here for 21 years. What I think I'd like to tell new students coming into the department is that they've chosen an excellent university and biology department to do their training. We're a wonderful department. We have 16 full-time faculty members who are dedicated professionals who are interested in your success. We're a very approachable and friendly department. We do have high standards, but we want you to do well. But those high standards are in place so that you can be successful when you graduate and move on. Opportunities for new students to engage in the department. Typically, we have an orientation in the beginning of the year. Probably won't do that this year just because of the pandemic, but we will probably have many virtual meetings where we can engage students with faculty, just so that faculty and students will get to know each other during this sort of strange time. We do have 4 student organizations that the department sponsors. The Biology Club, which has been very active, social engagements out at Carlisle Woods, which is our field station north of Topeka. The EcoBods is our environmental biology student organization. We have the American Medical Student Association chapter here, and so that's really for the pre-health students, pre-med, pre-dentistry. And then we also have a National Biology Honor Society chapter. So students who do well in our classes can be inducted into that Tri Beta. So there's a lot of opportunities to engage. We also, on football Saturdays, do biology tailgates to try to connect current students with faculty and also alumni. And we also have been offering for the last 2 years WU 101 that has a biology, so it's not just a general WU 101 class, which is the freshman experience class, but we also have one now for biology, and that helps to introduce students to our department and our faculty. So we support students during the semester through a variety of ways, and probably the most important one is tutoring. We provide free tutors. And then, of course, students who have needs, accommodation needs, we work very closely with the Office of Diversity and Inclusion to make sure that they get their support there. You can get a biology degree, but you can also get an environmental biology degree, you can get a molecular biology and biotechnology degree, you get a forensic biology degree, and you can also get a biology secondary education degree, so if you want to teach high school biology. So to offer that variety of different majors, we need a diverse group of faculty, and we have that. We have experts who are geneticists and cell biologists and molecular biologists and microbiologists and entomologists and herpetologists and ecologists, forensic biologists, anatomists and physiologists. So we have a diverse group who know what they're doing. Faculty teach all the classes, we teach all the labs, we do all the grading, so we get to know you very well. We get to therefore write good letters of recommendation for you because we get to know you. But you get that expertise with us. One of the things that's kind of unique is that we require all students to do at least 1 semester of research. And that provides students with the ability to do biology, whether it's in the field or whether it's in the lab. And that's going to help them be competitive for graduate schools and also getting jobs in the workforce. Okay, so what advice for new students? I think you're going to hear this a lot from people, but go to class. Go to class, be prepared for class ahead of time, and then once you're in class, engage, physically engage and mentally engage. And then afterwards, obviously, you need to review and you need to study. So in biology, in the sciences, it's not easy. And so you've got to really digest the material. It takes time. You can't cram for exams. So ask questions, be visible, be approachable, and be connected. Read your Washburn email, and don't be afraid to ask for help. I would also say to be successful, get to know your faculty members, get to know your administrative assistant that's in your department, and certainly your advisor. So you have a particular career path and career goal. We're going to put you with an advisor who knows that area. So connect with them on a regular basis to make sure you're on track. Many students, you need to do job shadowing. So if you're a pre-med student, you need to do physician shadowing. If you're a pre-dentistry student, you need to do that as well. If you want to go into forensic biology, maybe an internship at the KBI or a crime lab is important. Folks want to become zookeepers, we'll do a zoo internship. So there's a lot of things that we have to offer, and I would take advantage of those early and often. We have a highly respected pre-med program, but we also have the only BS in forensic biology program in the state, and certainly neighboring states. And that's a brand new program. We're very excited about that program, and having KBI on campus just makes that a really nice relationship. So that's becoming really popular. And then our environmental biology and molecular biology and biotechnology degrees, which were started 6 years ago, have become very popular. And so we have more students coming here for those reasons as well. Our alumni have gone on to do great things. Many of our students go on to medical school, dental school, we have dentists, we have PAs, we have pharmacists, chiropractors, veterinarians, physical therapy. But we also have people going on to graduate school getting master's or PhDs